Part 6. This is exactly what happens after you receive an export order. Step by step, document by document, all the way until your final shipment. Save this. This is your complete export blueprint. For example, you have a product name ABC. Destination is Germany. Incoterms FOB Mumbai. Payment terms 30% advance and balance 70% before shipment. First step is buyer sends a purchase order, that is PO. Buyer's PO includes product details, quantity, price, Incoterms, FOB, CIF, CFR, delivery timeline, packaging standards and inspection requirement. Once you receive the PO, you confirm it by email. Now we have to issue commercial performa invoice. PI. The PI contains HSN code, unit price, total order value, payment terms, shipping terms and delivery period. The advance payment request is also raised through PI. The PI acts like a promise document. Now receive the advance payment. Payment come via telegraphic transfer, SWIFT, remittance into your current account or through PayPal for e-commerce export. For that, the bank issues a foreign inward remittance advice. Manufacture goods as per the buyer requirement. For example, buyer specific color, branding, labeling, box and carton specification, fragile or export grade packaging. Quality check and inspection. Some buyers require pre-shipment inspection, drop test, packaging strength test, weight and dimension verification. An inspection certificate is issued if required. Prepare mandatory export documents such as commercial invoice cum packaging list, certificate of origin if requested, insurance document for CIF, MSDS only for chemical products, phytosanitary certificate for agriculture items. Now involve CHA or freight forwarder. The freight forwarder or CHA handles vessel space booking, pickup from factory, customs processing, issue bill of lading, warehousing, container stuffing. You provide all documents to CHA for filing. Shipping bill filing on iSkate. The CHA files your shipping bill, invoice, packaging list, IEC, GST detail, LUT, bond if applicable. A shipping bill number is generated. Now, custom examination and LEO. Customs may inspect goods, verify labels, check HSN code, take sample. If everything is okay, LEO. Let export order is issued. This is the official approval for export. Now comes stuffing, loading and bill of lading. Goods are stuffed into the container, the vessels loads the cargo, the carrier issues the bill of lading. BL, the most important transport document. A BL includes shipper, consignee, notify party, vessel details, port of loading, port of